Here's one of my top and bottom Swage / Tenon tools. And as I said, I modified the larger one so that it can be used without a handle. You can see how I have pins and corresponding pieces of pipe welded on this tool. It's kind of ugly looking, but it mates up really well, and so I'll give it a go. I'll quickly use my fullering tool here to mark the blanks. The way that the milled supports on this tool are joined with bolts allows it to move a little bit, and this is actually a good thing. However, I'm probably going to discontinue selling this tool. I have a few more left, so if anyone's interested, get a hold of me. Not having to hold the top portion is really good. So without my stock rotating, it forces out flanges on either side. So I'll work this stock down to a size that will fit a little bit better in that tool. I rotate as I hammer, and the result is that texture that I got last time. I feel like I should ease the edges a bit on this tool. I need to give a big shout out to Philip Muir. Like some others recently, he purchased a tool and added a substantial amount to the total. I also need to give a shout out to Sir Boop and Stephen Watkins for their super thanks donations. May the sun shine bright and may your hammers feel light. Thanks, fellas. The result of easing the edges is a smoother action. I get less texture and a more smooth appearance, and that's maybe desirable for some workpieces. So of course I'm going to monkey around a little bit and see how this might suit me in other ways. I think you can see where I'm going with this, though it's not quite ideal. So I want to continue experimenting and make a set of dies for my old guillotine tool. 13mm is the largest drill bit I have, hence the size, but I think it should be a little bit larger, maybe 15 or 16. I just want to make a prototype and get the feel for this. So this is what I quickly come up with. So this is where I can see the potential, but the sizing is not quite right. I need to widen the hole and lower the fullered areas just a little bit. I think I'll take my idea to the machinist. So what I want to accomplish is to create a properly sized and rounded pivot with fullers on each side and a perfectly sized rivet hole with an all-in-one die set. More to come. Stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys next time.